What's up, guys? Back once again with another unboxing. Today, this is the ISDT 608 AC smart charger. Let me tell you the reason why I bought this charger. So, you guys have seen in other videos where I have the Losi Mini B and then also the actual SDXC 24. So I have larger chargers, but I really use those for my 5th scale and my 1/6 scale vehicle. I wanted something that's smaller, that if I need to transport it, I can actually transport it. Now, I didn't know exactly how this was. I really didn't look at the dimensions, but this box is really small, so I can only imagine the contents inside here. Got to be a whole lot smaller. So I got this so I can charge those small batteries. I don't want to have to break out those two big Venom chargers that I have every time I get ready to charge something. So I'm going to get right into this. We're going to open this thing up, let you see what we're working with. I've had this for about 2 weeks or so, if not longer. Just hadn't gotten around to opening it up. Just don't have the time. We got the manual, of course. Got a few stickers here. Oh wow, I really like this. Love that size. And here we have the cable, charging cable. And I think that's it. That's pretty much it. Nice presentation. This box is a really nice presentation. Let me get all the manual and everything back inside of the box. Really nice size. I'm assuming these go on the bottom. And this has what they call a modular design, so you should be able to disconnect this from here. I'm not sure exactly how, so I'll take my time with it. All right, there we go. And you can use this is your AC cable, so you can use it in AC mode, or you can use it in DC mode. And you just plug your plug into here. This is the power supply, and this is the charger itself. Now, if I was out and about, this would be perfect as far as the size goes. You can't beat that size. I really wish the whole thing was about this size. But this is not a bad size at all. I'm going to give you a size comparison. So this is a 3S that I'll be using on the Losi Mini B. And this is the charger next to it. This is 850 milliamp an hour pack. So this size is really nice. I really like it. We're going to power this thing up and just see what we have. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has a tiny screen. It would have been nice if the screen had been a little bit larger. But, oh, you know what? You're going to plug in your balancing plug right here. I like this design a little bit better because I don't have to worry about having an additional balancing plug to plug into there. So we're just going to go through the selector. So we're going to hit start. Okay, never mind. That's not what I want to do. This is my first time, so bear with me, guys. So I'm going to hit stop. Okay, so it shows the amount of voltage. This needs to be charged. These are at 3.81 and 3.8. This is a 2 cell, so it's bringing it up to total 7.6. So what we're gonna do, it's already on LiPo. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got it on charge. Let's just go up to task. Let's see if it says balance. Okay, so it says discharge, storage, DC power, and destroy. That's pretty cool. You got to destroy. So you can deplete the battery, I guess, completely. I'm not sure if it's depleted completely, but it will destroy it. Take it down enough where it's not going to be a fire hazard. Let's just say it like that. And it's definitely on LiPo. So you got LiPo, lithium-ion, Life-E, but it's already on LiPo, so condition. So we want to go to 420. And this is 2S. And this pack is a 2C pack. I think, let me see, what is it? No, it says it's 2C if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just gonna charge it slowly. This is 800, so we're gonna go down the current. We're gonna go to, I'm gonna do 0.8 so we can get 1 amp. So we got it on 0.8, and then I'm just gonna come down and hit start. And now it's doing its thing. So it's gonna balance it and it's gonna charge it at the same time. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to come to you and show you this charger. This charger is really cheap. I think it's cheap. I think I paid maybe $40 for it. Wasn't much at all. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see that also. And I also put a link to the cables that I did purchase for that also. I'll put that in the description. Till next time, guys, we're out.